Myself is Prabhakar, Department of Electronics, Marani Science College for Women, Mysuru. Now I am going to explain the topic Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is used to simplify Boolean equation to make simple logic circuit. In this section, we will see the AND rules, OR rules, laws, that means commutative laws, associative laws, distributive law, theorem, De Morgan's theorems, and some we have Boolean formulas. The AND rules. A into A equals to A. A into A complement equals to 0. A into 1 equals to A. A into 0 equals to 0. Or rules. A plus A equals to A plus A complement equals to 1, A plus 1 equals to 1, A plus 0 equals to A. This is based on the OR gate. This is based on the AND gate. Next, commutative laws. You know A plus B equals to B plus A into B equals to B into A. Next, associative laws. A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. A into B, C equals A into BC. And also, you know the distribution law. A into B plus C equals A into B plus A into C. Next is the De Morgan's theorem. Actually, the first theorem states that the complement of product is equals to the sum of complement. The second law, the second theorem states that the complements of sum is equals to the product of complements. So you know the first theorem. So A into B whole complement, that's equals to A plus A complement plus B complement. The second theorem, A plus B whole complement equals to A complement into B complement. Some Boolean formulas, A plus AB equals to A plus second one, A plus A complement B equals to A plus B. Third one, A plus B into A plus B. Sorry, A plus B into A plus C, that's equals to A plus BC. We can prove the first theorem. We can prove the first formula. That means A plus AB equals A. So LHS, we take the LHS. LHS equals to A plus AB. That's equals A. We can take the common A term in A in these two terms. We can take the common in these two terms. A that means A into 1 plus B. That's equals, you know the formula 1 plus B, that means 1 plus A equals to 1. The same thing, 1 plus B equals to 1. That means A into 1. That's equals A into 1. You know the AND rules. A into 1 equals to A. A into 1 equals to A. This equals RHS. We can prove the second formula also. A plus A complement B equals A plus B. Take the LHS. LHS equals to A plus A complement B. So A plus AB, that means we know the formula A plus A complement B equals to A. So we can, instead of A, we can write instead of A plus A, B. And next, A complement B. So we can take the common in a in these two terms, a plus a common, that means b, sorry, we can take the b common in these two terms, that means b a plus a into a complement. So once again, a plus, we can take the b common in these two terms, b into a plus a complement. So that's equals a plus b. We know the formula a plus a complement. A plus a complement equals to 1 into 1. That's equals a plus b. B into a into 1 equals to a. The same thing, b into 1 equals to b. That's equals RHS. The third formula, we can prove the third formula also. A plus b into a plus c equals a plus bc. So we take the LHS equals to a plus b into a plus c. So a into a plus a into c by using distribution law. A into a plus a into c plus a into b into a, that means ab, plus ab means ba. That by using the commutative law we can write the a into b plus b into c. That's equals a in, you know the a into a, b, you know the a into a equals to a. We can write the a into a equals to a plus ac plus ab plus bc. That's equals a. We can take the a common in two terms, these two terms, a into, we will get a into 1 plus c plus ab plus bc. So that's equals a 1 plus c, 1 plus a equals to 1. The same thing, 1 plus c equals to 1 plus ab plus bc. That's equals a into 1 equals to a into 1 equals to a by using these rules, and rule, plus ab plus bc. We know the first formula we have this, we have proved, no, a plus ab equals to a. The same thing, a plus ab equals to, we can write the a plus ab equals to a plus bc. That's equals RHS. Next, we can simplify the Boolean equation. First one, for example, f equals ab plus bc plus b complement c. So that's equals ab plus c b plus b complement. That means ab, we can take the b, we can take the c common in these two terms. Then we will get c into b plus b complement. That's equals ab plus c. We know the b plus b complement. That means a plus a complement equals to 1. The same thing, all rules. That means a plus a complement equals to 1 means b plus b complement is also equals to 1. That's equals ab plus c. The same thing, for second example, we can simplify the second example also. F equals a complement b plus a plus ab complement. That's equals a complement b plus A into 1 plus B complement. That means A complement B plus A. I mean, we are taking the A term common, A common in with these two terms. A will get A into 1 plus B complement. So that's equals A complement into B plus A into 1, because 1 plus B complement equals to 1. So A complement into B plus A into 1 equals to A by using these and rules A. So we know the second formula, A plus A complement into B equals A plus B. So A plus A complement into B equals, we can write the A plus B. Next, third example. F equals A complement into B complement into C complement plus A complement into B complement into C plus A complement into C complement. That's equals A complement into B complement. That means we can take the common, that means common in these two terms. What is the common? A complement into B complement. You take the A complement into B complement. These two variables are common. A complement into B complement. We'll get A complement into B complement into C complement plus C plus A complement into C complement. So A complement into B complement, we know the C plus C complement equals to, A plus A complement equals to 1 by all rules. There's the same thing, the C plus C complement equals to 1 plus A complement into C complement. So by in this also, by taking the common in these two terms, which one? A complement and A complement. No, A complement common variable in these two terms. A will get A complement into B complement plus C complement. That's equals A complement into BC complement. A complement into BC complement. That means B complement plus C complement equals to BC whole complement. By using the first theorem, De Morgan's theorem. By using first De Morgan, what it states that the complement of product is equals to the sum of complements. The complement of product is equals to the sum of complements. That means by using De Morgan's first theorem. First theorem. What is stated? A into B whole complement, that's equals to A complement plus B complement. The same thing, B complement plus C complement is equals to, we can write BC whole complement. And next, we will get A plus BC whole complement. We know the second theorem also. What we do is states the second theorem. The second theorem states that the complement of sum is equals to the product of complement. The complement of sum is equals to the product of complement. That means this is the A term, this is the B term. A into B, A complement into B complement equals to A complement into B complement. A complement into B complement equals A plus beta whole complement. So beta means in this what? BC. A term is A. A complement into B complement, that's equals A plus B complement, I mean B term into whole complement. This is by De Morgan's second theorem. By using these rules, laws, and De Morgan's theorem and some basic formulas, we can simplify the Boolean equations easily. Thank you.